However, there are a couple of regions in the brain that have a fence around them, but that fence is weaker. Okay, it's sort of like going from a really big wall, thick electronic 24-hour surveillance fence where nothing can pass through except only the exclusive cargo that's allowed to go through, to having a little cyclone fence with a couple holes in it, or it's a kind of a picket fence that's falling over, and substances can move freely in from the blood, circulating in the body into the brain. And it turns out that the areas of the brain that monitor salt balance and other features of what's happening in the body at the level of what we call osmolarity, at the concentration of salt, reside in these little sets of neurons that sit just on the other side of these weak fences. And the most important and famous of these, for the sake of today's conversation, is one called OVLT. OVLT stands for the organum vasculosum of the lateral terminalis. It is what's called a circumventricular organ. The circumventricular organs are areas of the brain that are near that circulating fluid, and that circulating fluid has access to the bloodstream, and the bloodstream has access to it. And this structure that I'm referring to, OVLT, organum vasculosum of the lateral terminalis, has neurons that can sense the contents of the blood and to some extent the cerebral spinal fluid.